Then we're going to do the following. First of all, I'm going to calculate here also points I dot left. Okay, I'm gonna click on F5. This is left. Okay, what happened with this left? I'm going to do the following. I'm going to get my shape, okay, and active chart shapes. Which shape is that line? I have to do this. I forgot this completely. This is the number 1 and this is the number 2. Okay, then I go left is equal to left, or my left. My left is equal to the left of this point. Now I want to see what happens if I'm going to remove this line from here, put it here like this. Okay, I'm gonna F5. The line now is moved exactly in this point. Okay, then this is, I think, if I go to home, no, developer ribbon, record macro. Okay, select this area, stop recording. I'm going to here to the developer ribbon. Okay, active chart plot area. Okay, so active chart plot area is dim my top. Okay, the top of my plot area is where I want to put my line. Okay, so I'm going to do F5. So you can see here, I can put this here, but if I execute show chart series collection, okay, macros, show chart series collection, you can see here now the line, okay, it is moved here, okay, exactly. Okay, I'm gonna run this. You can see here, I can also change if you want this line, format object. I can make it gray, or okay, I'll leave it red as it was before. Okay, and the line can be also like this. So you see now I moved this.